friends, my name is Jiya Viren Dedhia. I am 10 years old. As we know, many students are facing writing problems, especially while writing in Hindi or Marathi. So today I am going to teach you how to write or form Hindi Marathi letters. So let's start. First we will see how to write swar. There are basically 13 swars in Hindi or Marathi letters. So let's start. First we have to do English 3 here. Then sleeping line and standing line. O. Then again we have to do same this here. English 3 we take. Then here sleeping line, standing line. And one more line here. It's called A. Then here small line take and take S here. Take tail. Chota E. Then again we have to do same this. Small line this. Take S and take tail and rafa. It's called E. Then we have to do U. Take English 3 here. It's called U. Then again we have to do same this here. English 3. This U. And take a tail. Right. It's called U. Then here ulta ke take. Then here line and take here S. It's called Ru. Then here standing line. A curve here, standing line, little bit curve, chota E. Okay. Then here again we have to do standing line, curve, here also standing line, little bit curve, up to down matra. It's called I. Then we have to do same this A first here. Line. Then up to down matra here. It's called O. Then again we have to do same first A. Then O, take matra, up to down matra. One more matra here. It's called OU. Then we have to take O first. This one O here. Upper dot. Again you have to do this side 2 dots. It's called aha. So this is all swars. So how was my teaching? Kindly like my video, also subscribe our channel. I will come back with new tips for handwriting improvement. So practice it all swars. All the best. Do